Welcome to the online Balloon Twisting 101 course. The goal of this course is to teach you from scratch. And the first lessons will assume that you have never ever touched a balloon of your whole life. But by the time you finish this course, you will be able to make balloon twisting a full-time activity if you so wish. Now, after this introduction, I imagine that you will want to fly through the whole course and arrive at the end as fast as possible. But I would like to caution you about that. The reason is that our brain can figure things out quite quickly. In fact, very quickly and much faster than our fingers. And this course is not about you understanding things. It's about you doing things. And you must give enough time for your fingers to practice dozens of times, hundreds of times. In fact, if you make it a full-time activity, thousands of times. And so I will release every week a certain amount of lessons. It will usually be one module. You can probably follow those lessons in one day. You will understand everything. But then I would like you to spend the rest of the week before the next module is released. I would like you to spend the whole rest of the week to practice what you learned in that one or today at the beginning of the week. With that said, let's now see how you can access your course and how it is presented. All right, so if you click on the link that you receive when you enrolled, you should arrive at the login window. But the very first time, you will have to set your password. You will have instruction for that, and you can also do it simply by clicking on that link. Another way to access the course is simply to be on the main website of the Balloon Twisting School and click in a courses menu, which will bring you to all the courses that are available in a school. At the moment, we just started and we have this first Balloon Twisting 101 course. So you either enter directly here or you can access it by clicking here, Get Access. Either you log in, which will bring you to the same window that we just saw, or if you didn't buy the course yet, you should enroll simply by going on this enrolling page. All right. Enter your details. And log in. All right. So if you already started the course, you will just click on Resume or Start if you're brand new. All right. At the very top, this icon and this menu entry will bring you back to the selection of courses that are available for you to enroll or the one you are already enrolled in. Enrollment, as the name suggests, is where you will find all the courses that you enrolled in. Explore is all the other courses, which at the time of the video is empty because we have only one course available, which we are already enrolled in. All right. Here you have the notification. So if you made some comment and somebody answers, you will see it there, or if there's a message from me or whatever. You can, of course, set up the notification the way you want it. All right. Then you can enter into your settings and change your password, sign out. I mean, this is all usual. You can also change the language, but this will not apply to the course. It will only apply to the system buttons. On the left panel, you have the navigation buttons. You also have a progress bar that shows you how much of the course has been covered. And then you have the list of all the modules and the lessons available. If they're available yet, you can go inside. Otherwise, they will be grayed out. And at the very bottom of the page, you can go back to the main website if you decide to come out of your course or you want to see something there or whatever. All right. Now, if you're on a phone, the layout will be slightly different. Your menu will become a hamburger here. And to access all the lessons, you click on that little hat at the bottom there. And you can go to another place in your lessons. Voilà. Okay. Now, you have the main body of the lessons in the center of the page. And under the lesson, you have a place to write comments. Now, this is very important because you can ask me questions if you want, and I will answer you. You can also, by using this little clip, send us some pictures. For example, this one. And when you click in the center, you have it full size. What else can I say? You can of course write a little comment. What else can you do? You can send a link to some of the sculptures you did if you want to show us, or how you did it. Or if you have a difficulty, you can show us exactly the difficult point where you are stuck. So I can maybe give you some counsel on how to go over that hurdle. So please don't hesitate. This will be a very important tool to help you assimilate the lessons correctly. What else? You can send a GIF. You can link whatever article you wish. And you can, of course, put some smiley to show how happy you are. Or sad, but I hope you'll be happy. All right, so that's very important. And when you finish your lesson, you click on Mark as Complete so that you can visually see your advancement in the lesson. As you can see, we start by very, very, very basic, very simple lessons. I really start from scratch. But as you progress in the course, you will make more advanced balloon animals. In fact, by the time you arrive at the end of this course, you'll make sculptures that are quite advanced. And all the lessons and practice you will acquire in this course will enable you to reproduce practically any balloon animals that you will come across on the net or in the real world. Okay, that's all for now. I'm sure you are eager to get started. So have fun and enjoy yourself.